website, and the first thing you need to do is log in. In order to log in, go to the main page of your website and then add a /user. And I will also send you this link in the email. Once you're on the login page, just put in your username and password. I'll send you. Alright. Once you're logged in, you'll have this management bar up here at the top. In order to edit any of the pages, just navigate to the page you want to edit. Let's say we want to edit the references page. And at the top of the page here, you'll have View, Edit, Delete, or Revisions tabs. Just click on the Edit tab. And now it brings up your editing view. You have a small window here, right here. This is the section you want to worry about. You can pretty much ignore the rest of these things. This bar up here, the title, is the title that shows up at the top of the page. And then this over here is what shows up as the menu item. So this is what you see in the purple bar. So you can change that independently of the title of the page. And then this middle section here is the actual content of the page. Now, this section, there really isn't a lot to do in here. It's basically just like a small version of Microsoft Word. The easiest way to learn it is just to kind of dig in and test, kind of work with it. You have some basic formatting stuff. You have bold, italicize. This one that maybe isn't familiar is for a hyperlink. You have an unordered list, an ordered list, block quote, which is just if you're going to use like a testimonial. You'd probably put a testimonial inside of a block quote that pushes it in and gives it some italicized formatting. An image, and then this format. This format gives you some predefined text formats. For the most part, I would leave your formatting alone. Just use the standard format that the website uses. You don't have to add any styling, and then it keeps everything on the site in a nice, clean, uniform look. So let's see. Let's go ahead and add an image because that's one thing that's got a few steps to it. So I'm going to returns it and then click on this image button. Now this brings up a little dialog box. You click on Choose File, and then you go to your computer. So this would be all the files on your computer at home. And find the file you want to upload. I'm just going to grab a sample photo here. And then it uploads the photo. And then you have you want to put in an alternate text. The alternate text is what a person, hard of hearing or deaf person, or not, excuse me, a visually impaired person will hear when the screen reader reads through a website. So you want this to be a description of the image. So in this case, I would just put photo of chrysanthemum or something like that. You have alignment options. If you do none alignment, it'll just put a space all around the text, above and below. I usually do left or right, rarely center. Left, the image goes on the left and the text will flow around on the right side, and right, the image will go on the right side and the text will flow around on the left side. So let's just do left, hit save. Oops, see, it even tells you. And here to show. Alright, now you see this image is really big, so you want to be careful about what size images you upload. This image here would take up most of the website, so it's too big. But just for an example, that's how you add an image. I'm going to go ahead and delete this image. And editing text is, literally just like Word. You just type in what you want to edit, and that's pretty much all there is to it. One thing to keep in mind when you do make changes, you need to go all the way to the bottom and hit this Save and Keep Published. If you don't hit that, your changes get lost. And there is no undo button. Once you've left this page, they're gone. So make sure to remember to hit this before going on. And that's really about it. All the pages work the same way. There isn't anything real complicated here. So if you have any questions about edits or something I didn't cover in this video, just ask a specific question and I'll make another video that addresses that. And that's it.